thanks for staying with us. The Steel Pan Builders Workshop received a well-deserved boost in the form of a $500,000 check on Monday, compliments of the Republic Bank.
Yonette Greaves, Manager of Information Technology and E-Support of Republic Bank, handed over the check to Minister of Social Cohesion, Honorable Dr. George Norton, in the boardroom of the Department of Social Cohesion, Culture, Youth and Sport. The donation is in aid of the 4-day Steel Pan Builder Workshop, which began on Monday, to train 8 persons in the basis of steel pan construction. Communications and Public Relations Officer of Republic Bank, Janelle Damet, said the organization is pleased with the development that has occurred over the past 11 years and will continue to show its support in tangible ways.
Today's presentation is our commitment and continued commitment to our communities, continued commitment to the steel pan art form and to culture, whereby we are providing the opportunity for a new group of persons in the fraternity to learn steel pan building.
Minister Norton noted that the support from the bank has allowed for the continuation of the workshop series.
What is important to note is that it's going to empower young Guyanese to get involved in the creative industries. And not only would that provide a change in probably their economic fortunes, but it would see a contribution to national development.
The workshop comprises the Republic Bank Pan Minor Music Literacy Camp and a Rangers Workshop. Maria Joseph is the lead facilitator. Neola Damon, InfoHub.